What is up, guys? Today we are playing Claw. What is up, guys? It's Claw. Today playing a zombie game with my good friend Queen LD 101. We're gonna be playing a cool, epic game. Um, so we just gotta wait. Meanwhile, we can spectate. This is basically like a zombie game. Oh, I think. Okay. We're okay. So, um, right now they're in the middle of a round. They're doing the pyramids, which is my favorite one. There's a lot of zombies right there. Game over? Ah, dude, guys are bad. Looks like I got in the look. Hey, we're the only pros here. Nah. Well, we got the sewer map. Die, zombies. Die. Get noobed. Okay, this map is pretty big. I'll take them out with my single pistol. Alright, I gotta find my teammate. 360, no scopes, only. Nice, okay. Boom, 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 boom. I wonder if I can get a better gun. Die, zombie. Die. Ah. Oh, snap. Alright. Noob. Bro, where's my Uzi? I low-key just bought that. There we go. Go. Bruh. Now we really oppin'. Shooting up these zombies. Now we oppin'. I don't need a click no more. Just one time click and I kill all these zombies. I be oppin', breaking all these zombies. I'm an op. I be oppin', killing all these zombies. Whoa, that zombie just got me on fire. Oh yeah, spitting bars hard like a candy bar. Oh my god, look at all these zombies. Gotta wreck 'em all. Got my little Uzi with my Uzi vert rapping like a trapper. I got bars, more bars than Klondike. Klondike got no bars. Oh, whoa, was that a roast? I'm just trying to snipe all these zombies with my new Uzi from the Futsal Shuffle. Yo, look at all these zombies. It's killing so many zombies it has to lag. Because if it didn't lag, I wouldn't be able to kill all these zombies. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You know what? There we go. Now you guys can hear. Alright, let's go. Look at this. This is a good gun. This one's mine. Tank Santas are mine. I got these guys. Come and pop a Tank Santa. You're mine. Bro, I'm wrecking all these moves. With my little Uzi vert. Little Uzi killing these zombies. I'm about to help this noob. No, I gotta kill all the zombies. I'll be killing all the zombies. I'll be killing all the zombies. I'll be killing all the zombies. Tank Slime, you ain't got nothing on me. Oh snap, gotta help my teammate. Oh, never mind, I think she can fend for herself. Oh, look at her killing all the zombies. Little Uzi vert. Alright. Why stop here? We can go farther. Okay. So, let's do this. Tactical shotgun purchase. Oh snap. That's a lot of zombies. That's a lot of zombies. Take zombie, you ain't got nothing on me. Sand monsters, y'all ain't got nothing on me. Come chasing me, you gonna catch the Uzi. Bro, fast zombie, you ain't got nothing on me. Spitting so many bars, I gotta spit hard. Just spit hard. I stay spitting bars. Cause if I can't spit bars, I'll spit bars with spitting bars. Bro, leveling up. Levels per second now. Levels per minute was such a yesterday thing. Sniping all these zombies because I can snipe zombies. If I don't snipe zombies, I'm not going to be able to survive the game. Yeah. Alright, can I get my pump? I want that pump. I need the pump. Yo, I got the trench shotgun. This is even better. Kaboom me. Zombie come here. Boom. One shot, one kill. No way. Boom. Whoa. Boom. Now these guys die way quicker than I expected. Let's go. Sniping all these noobs. single clicks, but they die way faster. Now I can defend longer. Took out the tank zombies so fast. Bro, look at all this money I'm getting real fast. Whoa, that zombie kind of exploded, but I can still take out all these zombies. Look at me spitting bars, got invincibility. Now I can take out all these zombies without taking damage, because if I don't take damage, I'm basically a living legend. I can do a lava zombie now because I don't take damage. Holy snap, my invincibility's gone. I've got to grind harder so I don't even die. I'm not gonna die. How much time do I got? I got plenty of time. Got 11 minutes. I can... Holy snap, looks like it's the boss. Kinda want to do the Molotov, but I gotta find him. Where's the boss? I found the boss, I think. Okay. Alright. Let's be smart. Inventory. Equipped. Oh, snap. Guess I gotta take him out with the trench shotgun. Alright. We don't got that much time, maybe a couple minutes. Can we do it though? Gotta take out the zombie. Going up close, gotta take out the tank. If I don't take out the tank, we can get this dub. Whoa, holy snap, he was right next to me. Oh, now he's trying to get my homie E. Gotta dodge the force field so I don't die. Jumping up and down, dodging the force fields while still getting damage. I get this damage because if I get the damage, I get the points and I can defeat the zombie. Holy snap, we're almost there, literally almost dead. We're about to defeat the mega tank zombie and then I'll be on my grind again. Gotta get the machine gun next so I can do more damage like a shotgun and shoot as fast as the Uzi. Yo. Making a whoa, holy snap, he's coming after my homie. He's not gonna get me though, because we're literally about to defeat him. Holy snap, guess what? We just got him. Nice. Alright. No time to relax. Got more zombies incoming. Let's go. Got my teammate with me. She can't hear me spitting bars till I upload the video. Holy snap, it's a zombie. Another apocalypse. Gotta take out the zombies with the Uzi. Got all the money to take out the zombies, but I need to be careful. Gotta use my strategies, because if I don't use the strategies correctly, it might end up like a zombie. Yeah, spitting hard bars, taking out the zombies. Holy snap, is that a tank? Now it's a bot, because the other tank was way harder. I can take out tanks like they're zombies, regular zombies. No problem here. Holy snap, tank trying to grab my friend. Guess what? You're dead. Don't even look left, right. If you do, you're dead already. Taking out zombies like it's picking peas. Peas from the pea tree. That tree's already been picked. Holy snap, tank out the zombie. He wants some smack. Guess what? Super speed on my way over here. I got the super speed. Now you can't catch me. Super speed just defeated the lava monster. Sand monster ain't got nothing on me. Yo, let's go. Gonna help my homies out who need the help. Using the little Uzi and defeating the zombies. Holy snap, these guys think they're all that. Guess what? You're gone. Now get ready to not get smacked. Alright, gotta retreat. I wanna learn how to build my beat. Gotta take the beat. Now I gotta go up here. Gotta go to the shop. Buy another gun. I want the